Hey everyone, my name is Peter Haddad from Rose Training, and I'm here today to show you our survival kit for our TAE 40116 Certificate for in Training and Assessment. And it's something that we believe that all our new trainers should have to help them on their way in their new course. So one of the first things that all trainers really should have, and what we've got here is what we use is an icebreaker. So what we've got is a nice pack of cards. So you can create a nice little icebreaker for your students, and the idea of that is to gain rapport in your classroom and to get them all working together. So pack of cards, always a great thing to have with you. One of the other things you're going to have, because we always need it, because we need laptops, we need power to our computers, and we need power to our projectors and everything else, and sometimes we might need to simply charge our devices. So we have a nice little compact power board that will fit easily into your training bag. So that's a really must-have for any trainer. The other must-have definitely is a USB stick. You know, a lot of students come to classes and you want to share things, and it's really difficult sometimes to be able to email things because of Wi-Fi's of poor surfacing. So you always have a spare USB stick there to keep all the documents safe and sound. One of the things that we do use a little bit these days, but however so much is done electronically, is a nice little 3-pack of pens. Always a great thing to have, and students can use that to sign in, and also for you to do some assessing and writing comments and feedbacks for your students. What else have we got here? Definitely some mandatories is of course some Panadols in case either you get a headache or some of your students get a headache. And of course you have to be very much prepared for the odd paper cut as well. So we keep some band-aids and that handy just in case of emergencies. The other thing of course every trainer needs to have to write on whiteboards is some whiteboard markers. So these are one of the most universal tools you will ever use as a trainer, and a must-have in every trainer's toolkit. And of course, to keep all that in, we have a handy little pencil case there that's nice and compact and can fit into your trainer bag, backpack or laptop carry bag. Now, some of the other things we have here are a little bit hygienic. We have some hand sanitizer, we have some wipes, and of course, sometimes you want to come in and you want to wipe down the desk area that you're working on, or your laptop, or things like that. So these are really, really handy to have. And every now and then, of course, you may need some deodorant, or some of your students might need deodorants. So a handy little compact deodorant to have there. To help hold some of your documents up on, because some of the whiteboards are magnetic, so we have some magnetic clips so that you can actually hang documents up on your whiteboard, and you can hold them up there and take them off without having to have blue tack or anything like that. So very handy little things, and of course they've got some nice little symbols and love hearts and all those wonderful things on, which some people very much enjoy. And of course, one thing that you always need when things get a little bit in the afternoon, when everyone's getting a little bit down on energy, is some nice little sugar treats to sort of pick the energy up and maybe offer as a reward to the students when they do a really good job. So that's our survival kit for our trainers. We think that basically everything in here has a very nice practical application, and we believe you'll get a lot out of it. So when you come and do our TAE 16 course, this is what you will get when you join up. So thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.